นะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ Two kinds of truth. What is truth? We will study two kinds of truth recognized in Buddhism or in the teachings of the Buddha. Whenever people talk about truth, they say there is only one truth. Different people interpret it in different ways. But then, different people interpret it in different ways. There cannot be one truth, but there are many truths. If you ask a Christian what truth is, you get one answer. If you ask a Hindu, you will get a still different answer. So, truth can be different depending upon what kind of person you ask. According to Buddhism, truth means simply something is that true, that is real either in the conventional sense or in the ultimate sense. Some things are true only according to the convention, only according to the usage or mood of expression accepted by a certain group of people or accepted by people at large. Some are true according to the ultimate sense. Whether it is true according to conventions or according to ultimate sense, it is called truth or it is called reality in Buddhism. Since something which is true, which is real, is called truth. Truth need not be good only. Truth need not be lovely only. It can be anything which is true as it is. Describe it. It is supported by the fact that craving, which is an unwholesome mental state, is taught by the Buddha as the second noble truth. The second noble truth is craving. Craving is an unwholesome mental state which gives bad result, which is bad, which is not lovely. Still, it is called truth in Buddhism. So truth need not necessarily be good or lovely. It may be good or it may be bad. It may be lovely or it may be lowly, but it must be true. When I say the fire burns, the burning is the truth of fire. That is truth. So in Buddhism, craving is the truth. Mindfulness. You all practice mindfulness meditation. is the truth. Wisdom is truth. Concentration is truth. In Buddhism's truth need not be good only. It may be either good or bad. Love is so lowly. Whatever is true, in the conventional sense or in the ultimate sense, is truth. Two kinds of truth recognized in Buddhism. In Buddhism, two kinds of truth are recognized. The first is the conventional truth. The second is ultimate truth. We can call truth reality. They are interchangeable words. There is conventional reality, something that is true in conventional sense, and something that is true according to ultimate sense. There are always these two kinds of truth in the world. Conventional truth. What is conventional truth? Conventional truth is that which conforms to the conventions or usage of the world. Now, in the beginning, in the early days of human life on this earth, by common consent, a name for something is accepted. That name was accepted by all people. A thing comes to be known by that name. For example, a certain kind of animals is known as, or is designated as a cat. That was accepted by all the people. If you want to refer to that animal, you say the word cat. That is conventional. Conventional truth is something which is accepted by the people at large. It is accepted by common consent. I was afraid of using the expression of common consent before. To be exact, just yesterday I picked up this book and there that very expression is given. So I was glad. It is said there, people have simply agreed by common consent that a particular group of written letters or oral sounds shall represent or stand for a particular object or idea. We can have common consent, that is agreement by all people. Let us call this a man. Let us call this a woman. Let us call this a cat, a dog, and so on. That is conventional truth. Suppose there is a cat there, and then I say, there is a cat. I am telling the truth. I am not telling the lie. I am not telling you a lie because the animal which is accepted as a cat is here. That is one kind of truth which is conventional truth or conventional reality. Or we can take the example of a cat. How did you come here? I came in a car. When you say you came in a car, you are not lying to me. You are telling the truth. The conventional truth is true that you came in a car. The conventional truth core, or the thing represented by the same or by the name core, is a reality, a woman. A conventional reality, the same is true for the house, a man. You can give us many examples as you like. Everything in the world which is given a name can be a conventional truth. This conventional truth is called Samuti Satya in Pali. I want you to be familiar with these words. Samuti Satya. Samuti means just common concept or common agreement. Satya means truth. You may have made with a fresh Chattari Ariya Satyani. The word Satya is true. This kind of truth is called Samudaya Satya or conventional reality. Samudaya Satya is also called Panyati. Panyati is translated as concept. Venerable Jnanamoli, in his translation of the Visuddhimagga, the path of purification, gives some information about the concept. Panyati, he concluded that all this shows that the word Panyati carries the meanings of either appellation or concept or both together, and that no English word quite corresponds. There is no English word which corresponds squarely with the word Panyati. Let us accept the word concept as the translation of this word.